Hi, I'm Don, and I just recently picked up my prescription from my doctor. It's for my calcium. And as you can see, the instructions say one per day. So when I picked it up at I think it was Asco, brought it home, opened it up. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is what I find. It says one per day. Now, should I use salt and pepper? Louisiana hot sauce? Worcestershire? I say Heinz. Hans. My wife says Heinz. And of course, I'm going to have a Miller Lite with it. Not Bud Light, Miller Lite. Now, here that thing is crawling around a little bit. Oh. I'm going to pop those wings off. Hold it by its head. Wife, are you recording this? Okay, here we go. You're not supposed to eat the wings or the head, supposedly. Now, should I have used one of these spices? No, I don't think so. I'm quite happy with the flavor I have. However, one of my friends, Mary, said it tastes like almonds. Mary, I don't think so. See you this weekend. Have a nice day. Bye now.